I got a bunch of peaches. I went out and picked them at a local orchard. And I sliced up some for fresh eating, and I canned peach slices, but I thought I'd also make peach butter. But you know, I was doing so many other things, you get tired. So I decided to do peach butter, what I call the lazy way. You want some nice ripe peaches. So first off, you want to wash your peaches, kind of take out some of the fuzzy stuff. Okay, so now we're just going to take our knife and we're just going to quarter it. And this is real easy as long as you have freestone peaches. Now, here's the part where I'm really lazy. I don't take off the skins. That's right. We just want to now cut it up into chunks. I know, horrors, right? I didn't peel the peaches. But I'm going to show you, you don't have to, and nobody would even know you didn't peel them. And boy, does that save time. Another part of the lazy way to make peach butter. Now you can take off the skins if you like, but I think it gives a little bit of color to the actual peach butter itself. So we're going to want to do this, and we're going to want to get 12 cups. Okay, we've got all of our peaches nice in here. And then we're going to put in a cup of brown sugar. And then 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. There we go. Then we want 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. 1, 2. Now you can add whatever spices you want. You know, I have cinnamon in here. You could put a little nutmeg if you wanted. You could even have a little ginger. That would be good. Or you can have no spices whatsoever and it'll just have the peachy taste. That's all we need to put in it. We're just going to mix it up a bit and be careful here. Okay. That's pretty good. And now we're going to put our lid on and we're going to let just a little air escape. So condenses more. Turn it on and we are going to put it on low. And that's all there is to it, but we're going to come back and stir it every once in a while. So how long will it take in the crock pot? Well, we had an unusual night where we had it plugged in, it was cooking, and we had a tornado warning, and oh my God, the wind, everything. You would not believe how many trees and everything we have down on our property, blocking our driveway. Yeah, kind of a little disaster. But we do have now an all whole house generator. So it came back on, so I'm thinking it's fine. Not realizing that I would have to again hit the on button for the crock pot. So it took a lot longer than I expected. I'd say altogether it probably was 10 hours or more. And it just depends on the peaches you get, you know, how much juice they have, what's the humidity, and what's the consistency you want. So it could be 6 hours, it could be 12 hours. So it has a ways to go yet, I think, but I am just going to try immersion blender a little. Okay, You can see why it doesn't matter if you leave the skins on, because you can't even notice them, can ya? But it has some more cooking to do. It has to cook down. It'll thicken up even more when it cools. I think it's ready to jar up. We have assorted jars here. Want to make sure we use our debubbler. Okay. And these small ones are nice as a little gift size. But I need more half pints. I just don't have that many. Or I should say that many that are empty. And of course, we're going to wipe the rim. I'm just going to put this on, right? Just finger tighten. And I'll be back when we have them all done. Okay, we've got them all nice and lidded up. It's time to get them in the canner. So we got all of our jars in here. 2 inches water above. And now I'm going to let it get up to boiling fiercely and then boil it for 10 minutes processing. Time up. Now we're just going to let the jars sit for 5 minutes. Don't they look lovely? I canned some sliced peaches also, and look at that beautiful peach butter. Let's try some of this luscious peach butter on toast. See how nice it spreads? Does not look good. Just a little more. And now the taste test. Taste test? Very peachy. You can taste the cinnamon. Consistency is excellent, and you would never know that I didn't peel the peaches. Sometimes the lazy way is the better way. So I hope you enjoyed this very short video showing you how you can make peach butter the lazy way. And if you want more canning recipes, watch this.